This week, link one debit order or more to your bank account on the NetBank Money app to stand a chance to win an iPhone or Samsung tablet up to the value of 20,000 Rand. Welcome to Amavenz on TV. It's the DStv Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Amazulu 0. I'm joined by friend Matareka Maubanu Pumaguphi.
I'm low Kurman. I understand. I'm Puma Beswatini.
My brother, you want to game Shanji?
I cannot be Hamburg game today.
Yeah.
I be right in faith. Minanjelinga go to Sesame, man of the match.
Yeah.
And then this guy Baruman extend. At high, sorry, face, I'm not revenge today, but.
Rextin.
La, it's good. This guy means Yakara.
Turn Rextin.
Not the other revenge, those revenge. Other revenge, Rextin.
Yeah.
And today, this was no self-called.
Do you have a message for Xteen? Xteen,
I'm our coach, management, the support our Sam.
Outstanding.
Outstanding, I love it.
Yeah, you love it.
You know this 12 player, bro.
Yes.
They came in Mazima, like ground.
Exactly, my brother.
I know now it's like I'm not.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, Extend about hard lag upon.
Hard lag Extend.
Hard lag Extend. Ipalile,
Yeah, my brother.